What is up, everybody? Welcome back to TNK. Taylor here, and today we're going to be looking at the GTRacing Ace M1 in beige. So I've had this MeRex racing gaming chair from Amazon for quite some years now, and it kind of sucks. It's like a leather material, which I got nothing against the leather material, but we'll get back into that a little bit later. But I just kind of wanted a decent upgrade. So I looked online, hunted around. Of course, GTRacing, it's a kind of well-known brand, along with Secret Labs, everything like that. Just it's generally a little bit cheaper, and people have had really good results with their chairs. So as I was hunting around, I found I guess a newer line that they have, which is their Ace series, which comes in two different flavors. They have the M1 series and they have the S1 series, which your S1 is more of the gaming racing style with the little cutouts. And the M1 series is more, I don't want to say traditional looking, but it kind of gets into the more Secret Labs approach with a very clean aesthetic. So I was hunting around and then I found the beige series, which out of the M1 series of Ace gaming chairs, the beige series is kind of like a gray, and we'll look at it here in a little bit. I've got the box behind that door. But it comes in it's a fabric instead of the polyurethane leather or whatever they use. It actually comes in the actual like a fabric. So if you're one of those people who gets really hot while you're gaming, this is a perfect solution for you. So the Ace M1 series comes in at $289, I believe, and I've seen on here recently a lot of different codes that post up right on the banner of the website. They give you anywhere between 20 to like 30% off. So I think I ended up getting the chair for around $250. The S1 series is, I think, almost $100 cheaper. It's right around like the 180 mark. But with the M1 series, you have a maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds. Now I am 192 pounds. I'm 6 foot. So once we get into building it, we'll see how actually comfortable it is. I don't remember what the specs are of the chair that I have currently, but I know it can be more comfortable. This chair is pretty cheap. I think I got it for like maybe $100, if that, maybe 80. So it's not that fantastic. My butt does hurt after gaming for quite some time, so I'm hoping this is a good upgrade. So with this, you have a floor to seat base between 18.89 inches and 22 inches. So maximum height of 22 inches you can raise it up to, minimum of the 18.89. So why that number is important is not only to know how high you can put it up, but also it depends on your desk setup, how high your desk is. Some people have taller desks because they use like countertop stands, or people use the Alexa or the Alex drawers from IKEA, and it might raise the desk up a little bit more. So you want that even where your arms are perpendicular. I think they go right across the top of it. But then they have 4D arms and stuff like this. This one sucks. Of course, it comes with your lumbar support, comes with a head support. But enough talking about it. Let's get into building it and let's see what it's really all about. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to switch over to my onboard camera audio because I can't really bring this with me when we go to build it, and I'm going to be building it right on the floor right here. So let's go there. So this is the box that comes in. I apologize about the audio, but it just comes in a big box. It's like 50 pounds. Let's dive on in. All right, so after taking everything out of the box, this is everything you get minus the bolts and stuff like that. And I apologize, you're going to see my foot. Sorry if that freaks you out or offends you, but this is what you get. Okay, you can see the material is kind of all throughout. It's the same material. It's not your normal like leather gaming chair. It's just a nice fabric. It's actually really comfortable. Everything seems pretty sturdy. We'll have some beauty shots coming up here in a little bit, but one of the most important things that I wanted with this chair was this. That seat cushion is a thick boy. That is a thick boy for some extended gaming right there. And then of course you also get the base, which is nice aluminum, which I think definitely helps contribute to that 330 pound max weight limit. But enough chatting, let's start building. So these are the two chairs that I've had, the MiRax, MRax, whatever from Amazon, and then the new GTRacing Ace M1 series chair, in beige, the fabric, not the leather. So this is like the polyurethane, might not even be polyurethane, it might be just some cheap fake vinyl or something like that. I'm not sure if this chair is like super old, super unstable. I'm not applying a lot of force, and this is pretty sturdy. This is all separately rocking from each other. So we're gonna dive a little bit deeper. This worn out pad right here. We're gonna look at some of the differences and just what you get for spending a little bit more money on your butt. Got the GT Racing Ace. And let's just first, main thing that I wanted to look at the padding. Look at that padding compared to this little tiny flimsy padding right there. I don't know if that accurately depicts it, but that's a major difference. You can just see I've had this for a while, so it's just worn out. So I can't really justifiably say that, but the corners really, I mean, that's just pretty bad right there. But you can see it still comes with a little pillow, still has the logo underneath that. Comes with a lumbar support. I didn't really like it on this model. Felt that it was too big, but it is what it is. The armrests on this just go up and down. Of course, you can still take both of these chairs, throw them all the way back, like nearly 180 degrees with the side there. This one goes up and down. This one goes up and down as well. But just the quality that's put into this one is so much better. This padding, the padding's so thin, whereas this one, nice and thick. You know, extended gameplay sessions or editing, recording, whatever you're doing is going to be fantastic on this one. So, well, enough of having both of these here. I'm going to get rid of this one, and we're going to make ourselves comfortable in this chair. So we saw a good comparison between a old cheap chair that, honestly, when I purchased it, comfort wasn't really on the top of my priority list. It was just getting a cool chair, which we saw on Twitch and YouTube for a while, a few years ago. Now, you know, Secret Labs, GTRacing, there's a couple other ones that make really, really nice high-end chairs. They've started getting back into the comfort game of it, and you've lost some of the, you lost some of the gaming-esque features that come with the chair. You know, there's no, at least on this one, there's no cutouts, and there's still plenty of chairs that do it. But this chair, you know, there's no cutouts. It's more of a modern, sleek look. But like I said, I'm 6 foot even. I'm 192 pounds. I weighed myself earlier. If I put this chair all the way up, my legs are off the ground. So the chair is definitely big. If you're a smaller person, I would recommend probably not getting it unless you're okay with it. Unless you're okay with being swamped in the chair, which is no issue. Everyone to each their own. But it is a comfortable chair. Like I said, the max it goes up to is 22 inches in height. And I'll put it somewhere right here. The little breakdown. Sorry, microphone. the little breakdown of the not so much the what's in the box, but just the dimensions, so you get an idea. So like I said, I purchased this for, I think it was $259 after the discount. I think it regularly goes for $289, and even then, I have not had a Secret Labs chair. I haven't tried that. You know, those are more in the upper 3s, low 4s to 5s, depending on what you get. I haven't sat in one of those. I've gone from that crappy Amazon one that you saw, well, not Amazon, but got it off Amazon, to GTRacing. I haven't found this chair on Amazon. I've only found it on their website, and I haven't found any reviews or anything like that. So as far as I know, this is the first review that I can find on the Ace M1 series. Now, like I said, this one's the beige. It's really, I don't know if you can tell, it's not a beige color like you'd think with like beige pants. It's really like a gray that's kind of like in style nowadays, the gray wood grain and stuff like that. So this is the fabric one. No leather, no polyurethane leather, nothing like that. It's just fabric. So what you lose on that end though is the leather is more spill resistant to the fabric, so be careful of drinks and stuff like that. I can say I just drink water, so I'm not too worried, but it's just something to be aware of. So guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you like the content, subscribe. I do tech stuff. I need to get back into doing some motorcycle stuff and now boat stuff. So I just do what I love, and I like to share it with y'all. So this is not paid endorsement, anything like that. I paid my money that I work for to purchase this chair because I just wanted a better chair. But like the video, guys. Comment if you know of a better chair that you'd like to maybe see me get, and I'm always down for comfortable chairs and comfortable chair reviews. So comment below if you know one that's better, or you've tried one that's better, or if you've even tried this one and you also like it. Let other people know. So as always, y'all have a good day.